Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Lunchbox. Today we're going to make some delicious hot and sour chicken soup. This soup belongs to the Asian cuisine. It's very simple to make and serves as a great option for lunch or for dinner. So let's get started. To make the hot and sour chicken soup, we're going to use 1 cup of water, 1 cup of bamboo shoots, 3 cups of chicken broth, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes, 1.5 cups of cut mushrooms, 1 cup sliced chicken. I've used chicken breast and have cut it into strips. About 1 inch of ginger cut into small pieces, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic chopped up, 2 tablespoons of red wine, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and these 2 ingredients are optional. We have about 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro and half a cup of chopped green onions. These 2 are optional. You don't have to use them if you don't like them. Step 1, we're going to take a deep bottom saucepan, turn on the heat to medium high. To this pot or pan, we're going to add our chicken broth or vegetable broth, whichever you have used, 3 cups of that, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of bamboo shoots, 1.5 cups of mushrooms, chopped garlic, pepper flakes, ginger, and soy sauce. Mix all these ingredients well, and we're going to bring this to a rolling boil. While the pot is boiling, we're going to take 1 cup of our stripped chicken, and to this we're going to add our sesame oil, and we're going to mix the chicken pieces with the sesame oil. Once we have mixed it, we're going to keep it aside. We are also going to go ahead and mix our red wine vinegar with our cornstarch. Mix it well. Once this is mixed well, we're going to keep this aside too. In a separate bowl, we're going to go ahead and crack and beat our egg and keep it ready for the soup. Go ahead and beat the egg using a fork. Once beaten, we're going to keep the egg aside too and wait for our soup to boil. Once the broth starts boiling, to this we're going to go ahead and add our chicken tossed in sesame seed oil. Mix it well, and we're going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes until the chicken is partially cooked. Once the soup starts boiling again, we're going to go ahead and slowly add our egg while stirring the soup in a circular fashion, so as to get long strings of the egg drop. I'm gonna let this cook for a minute. After a minute, we will go ahead and stir in our cornstarch and red wine vinegar mixture. I'm gonna stir in the soup. We're going to cook this soup for another 5 to 7 minutes until it thickens up a bit and the chicken is fully cooked. You're going to stir it occasionally just to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. After about 5 to 7 minutes, you will see that the soup has thickened up. At this time, the soup is ready. You can go ahead and add your optional ingredients like the cilantro and green onions if you'd like. If not, the soup is ready to be enjoyed as is. At this time, we can go ahead and turn off the flame. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.